The Incredible Life of Albert Einstein. Did you know that Albert Einstein didn't speak fluently until he was about 4 years old, and some of his teachers thought he would never amount to much? Little did they know, this quiet boy would go on to unlock the secrets of the universe and become one of the greatest minds in history. Early life. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, to a middle-class Jewish family. From a young age, Albert was curious about how the world worked. At 5, his father gave him a compass, and Albert was fascinated by how the needle moved without being touched. This sparked his lifelong curiosity about science and the forces of nature. Einstein wasn't the best student in school. He disliked the strict and repetitive teaching style and often clashed with his teachers. Despite this, he loved mathematics and taught himself advanced topics, like calculus, as a teenager. At 16, he applied to the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, but failed the entrance exam because he struggled with non-science subjects. Undeterred, he worked hard and was eventually admitted. Struggles before success. After graduating, Einstein couldn't find a teaching job. Instead, he worked as a patent clerk in Bern, Switzerland. This seemingly ordinary job turned out to be a blessing in disguise. With fewer responsibilities, Einstein spent his free time thinking about the mysteries of physics. Mind-blowing achievements. Theory of Relativity, 1905. In 1905, often called Einstein's miracle year, he published his groundbreaking special theory of relativity. This introduced the famous equation E equals mc squared, showing the relationship between energy and mass. It revolutionized physics and laid the foundation for modern science. The photoelectric effect, 1905. Einstein explained how light behaves both as a wave and as tiny particles called photons. This discovery earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 and led to the development of technologies like solar panels and cameras. General Theory of Relativity, 1915. In 1915, Einstein expanded his earlier work with the General Theory of Relativity, which explained how massive objects like planets and stars bend space and time. This theory was confirmed in 1919 during a solar eclipse, making Einstein an international celebrity. Quantum theory contributions. Although Einstein was skeptical of some aspects of quantum mechanics, his early work laid the foundation for the field. He contributed ideas about how atoms emit and absorb energy, which are essential to understanding modern electronics and lasers. Champion of peace and science. Einstein wasn't just a scientist. He was a passionate advocate for peace and human rights. He spoke out against war, racism, and injustice, using his fame to promote equality. After fleeing Nazi Germany, Einstein became a US citizen and played a key role in urging the Allies to pursue nuclear research during World War II, though he later advocated for global nuclear disarmament. Later, life and legacy. Einstein spent his final years at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey, working on a theory to unify all the forces of nature. Although he didn't succeed, his work remains a cornerstone of physics. He passed away on April 18, 1955, leaving behind a legacy of brilliance and curiosity. Why Einstein's story matters. Albert Einstein wasn't a perfect student, nor did he have an easy path to success. Yet, through perseverance and an insatiable curiosity, he changed how we understand the universe. His life reminds us that thinking differently and asking questions can lead to extraordinary achievements. Einstein's ideas continue to shape modern technology, from GPS systems to medical imaging. His legacy is a testament to the power of imagination and the pursuit of knowledge.